Hey guys, so we are on the road. We're going on a little road trip and we're going to meet another YouTuber. This is the first time I've ever met another YouTuber in real life. And it's going to be a surprise. I'm going to show you when we get there. I'm super excited about it. We are going to go to the zoo today and then we might go shopping tomorrow. But we're going about 3.5 hours from home to meet her, where it's kind of in the middle for us. So that's like, it's 3.5 hours for her, 3.5 hours for me. We got a hotel and we are on the way. So I am super excited. The girls are super excited. It's going to be a great day and I can't wait to share it with you guys. And I can't wait to meet her. So I figured I would vlog today so you guys could experience this with us.
With the power of belief, just soak it up like a flower, like a summer field, aching to be healed. Just rain on me. You blow me into space, the power of your embrace, lift me up the ceiling, up and away, fly me over the rivers, over open seas, bring me to this feeling, up and away.
We're here. We made it to the hotel. We're just waiting on her to pull in. So excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited, Kinsley?
No.
You're not excited?
I said she's not behind us.
She is behind us. She'll be pulling in any minute. All right. She's here. We're walking over to see her. Oh my gosh. Yay! Okay, anyway, we got a hug. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, we made it. We got the kids. Are you excited? Are you excited? Hi.
I'm nervous.
Here's our hotel. It's huge.
Yeah, it's really nice. That's where we're staying.
We're headed to the zoo. You can't really see us. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
We're going to the Knoxville Zoo.
Yeah, that's mine.
We've never been.
No.
Hopefully it's good. They're wearing the same boots. How cute. Let me see your boots, girls. You're twins. All right, let's get in the elevator.
What for?
Number 1. We're gonna go get some lunch. She's vlogging herself.
Yeah, you know, you gotta get the hair right.
Your camera matches your shirt.
In there, right?
Cute.
Alright, we are in the elevator.
We're almost there.
There's a rhino there.
There is, in the giraffe. We're here. We're gonna try to hitch a ride on this limo here.
Gotta hurry up before it fills up.
Yeah, it's a super fancy zoo. You get to ride golf cart limos. Wait, we're trying to hurry. Wait. It's leaving us. Wait for us. It's a tiger tram. Show this tiger tram. How cute they are.
Around 5:30.
You guys ready?
Georgia walking is our age.
Hey girls.
Our intel age. But
Maggie, you did this! Oh my God. What is it doing? Why'd you do that? With it? Want to see?
Oh, it's so cute.
It just like burns.
Okay, Gabby.
What is it doing?
So cute. Hi, girls. You want to feed them?
It really does taste like this tastes like. Wait. It tastes like. Did they just orange?
Hey everybody, what are y'all doing?
It tastes like a cherry. I want a snack for you.
It tastes like a cherry?
Mine tastes like an orange.
Oh my gosh, she's getting me filming.
Walking to dinner. Outback is right down here.
Yes, we're walking to dinner.
Kids are checking out the pool. Does it look good? Yeah, they do. That's our hotel. And that's Outback Steakhouse.
Where is it?
Let me see your outfit. What are you looking for?
Look at her.
What are you looking for?
The little piece of that, I found half of it.
Oh, your other Vampirina thing?
I don't know where the other part is.
The dog or the...
It's probably under
Oh.
the bed. We'll get Ansley to look.
Yeah, we'll look later. Let me see your outfit. Show me your outfit.
I want to show them my swimming suit.
Oh yes, definitely. We'll show them that at the pool. Are you excited? Yeah, we got it to ourselves. You excited? Okay, take them on. Hey, let me see your cute jam jams.
Surprise!
Oh, I love them.
I put them on by myself.
You did? I think I helped you.
Alright, there you go. You're all good.
Hey, Maddie, let me see your jammies.
So cute.
Hey guys, it's the next morning and we're packing up our stuff to go eat breakfast at Cracker Barrel. It was a long night. Well, Maddie slept good. Did you sleep good? But Kinsley did not. And we shared this little bed right here. And Mackenzie and her girls slept here. Did you sleep good? Yeah? Did you sleep good, Ansley?
Yeah.
You did? Did you sleep good? No? Look, y'all are best friends.
I want her to come over.
Okay, they've been playing hide and seek in our room. And they've been best friends. You guys are so cute. And this mall is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than our mall.
Getting smaller.
Is she vlogging?
This is a cool mall. Like, look, it's usually very.
She's Instagramming.
Vlogging on my phone.
Oh, are you? That's a good idea, actually. Let's see your pretty necklace that you got. And you and Aubrey got matching ones. Let me see your necklaces. Let me see. What do you have? What's it say here?
It says. This is for kids.
It says
See?
best friends. Let's see yours. Oh, you guys have best friends necklaces?
Look at this. Watch.
What you got?
Watch. Press the button. Look how cute this is. Really hard.
I just want to hang with my dog.
That's cute.
And then it opens up.
Oh, wow.
There's scissors for kids too. They're teeny tiny.
Fixing to try this orange vanilla Coke. Yummy. Literally love this place. We always go here when we go to Gatlinburg. Aubrey, you too good for that? Oh, there's not enough room for you. Oh, poor Aubrey. Get on there. Hitch a ride. There's a seat on front of the boat.
Or you can stand in the middle.
She's doing the Kiki, do you love me?
Not even run off the train.
Tell her bye-bye. Oh, they love each other. You love your friend?
I gotta get in too. Alright, so we're leaving. Bye.
Your lighting's way better. I'm gonna do mine over here.
Why is yours so much better?
I don't know.
Wait a minute. That's weird. That's better. No, yours is so much better. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Hope you enjoyed the vlog.
We'll see you again soon. I promise.
We're gonna definitely do this again.
Bye.
Break it down to